What's up guys, Cece here. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're not new, Wagwan YouTube family, welcome back guys. Welcome back to another episode of In the Kitchen with Cece. On the menu today is some nice soursop drinks. Finally, I'm getting to do some soursop drinks. And yeah, I love it. I love soursop drinks. I have the tree in my backyard, actually in my front yard, and I didn't notice until recently because it started bearing. Like, it's the season. I am so excited. I'm sure you would love it. So if you have access to it, to your local food store, supermarket, or your neighbor tree around the corner, get it and try it. 2 ways to do the soursop drinks. Let's get straight into it. We're gonna do both methods and I'll let you know which one is my favorite. We're in the kitchen today and finally we'll be making some soursop drinks. This is the soursop. I only have one and it's pretty ripe. See the color changes, it start getting brown. And for the soursop juice, all I need is nutmeg powder, vanilla extract, condensed milk, and a dash of salt. There's 2 different methods of the soursop drinks. You could make it the milk way or you could use lime. So I think I'm going to use both versions, but my favorite is definitely the milk way. Don't mind these spikes, it's not harmful, like it's not that sharp. But we're gonna wash this, clean it up a bit, and then peel it. It's like a big strawberry. Seriously, it's like a big strawberry. It feels soft. I just love the smell. I love the smell of soursop. It smells so good. It smells sweet. See what I mean? It's like almost the texture of a strawberry. So imagine overripe strawberry. Pretty soft. Just giving it a quick wash. Then we're gonna cut it in half, because there's something in the middle that we need to get rid of. The stem in the middle, you don't need this. You can see it better here, this stem. So remove that. Yep. And it also has seeds. It has a bunch of black seeds. So this is what we're going to be using. In the meantime, some me time. In the meantime, you don't need a lot of water at all. Start with a little bit. you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if this is something you would want to try, or if you tried it before. If you grew up in Jamaica or other Caribbean islands, you probably tried it before, and you could eat the soursop just like that. You don't have to make drinks. But let me know your experience with this, and if you want to try it out. See you guys in the next video.